Here we have the 5 models of field caps used by NVA conscripts from 1956 till 1990. The first cap we have here is the KVP field cap. The KVP was the Eastern Paramilitary Organization that existed from 1952 until 1956 before it was disbanded and the NVA was formed. The NVA did use these caps for about 2 years after the NVA was formed. They're quite different from the NVA caps because they're a very different color. They're more of a brown instead of the NVA gray. The second field cap is the true first pattern NVA field cap. These were used from about 1956 until about 1961. They are the gray, but they are a very different shape from the later caps. They're much more round. They use the old style of the tricolor cockade, which is actually the reverse of the Bundeswehr style cockade. They also have loose flaps, unlike later caps, and are very rare but very identifiable. The second pattern of true NVA field cap is the loose flap field cap. These were used from about 1961 until the late 70s, but I have seen pictures of them used in 1980. They're very similar to the most common caps, which we'll get to, but they have loose flaps, they have the same cockade, and they're the same color. The third pattern of true NVA field cap is the most common, stone flaps, same cockade, wool felt. Production started on these in 1974, and they were produced all the way until 1990, though they first show up in use in the late 70s. Final pattern is the 1990 transitional pattern, in which it's the same cap, it's this one here, except it has a different cockade. It's a Bundeswehr style cockade that's used when they're transitioning.